Good morning, students. In this class we are going to discuss the basic concepts of exercise 14D. Exercise 14D. Now in the first exercise, in the second exercise, or in the previous third exercise, in the very first exercise we have discussed that we have to check that whether the given point is passing through the given equation or not, or that particular point lie on the equation or not. Maybe equation is in the form of this, right? In the second exercise we have solved the sums related to find the slope of parallel lines or perpendicular lines, right? In the third exercise we have solved to form an equation of a line when we have given points and slope, right? In this exercise we will find the slope and intercept, but from a given line. We will have given an equation in the form of like 2x plus 3y is equals to 5, and you have to find the slope and intercept by using this equation, right? Look, suppose you have given one equation 2x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. To find the slope and intercept by using this equation, we will first convert it into in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Minus 3y will remain here. 4 minus 2x. Now we have to convert it into this form. So we have to make this y as single one y. So y is 4 minus 2x by minus 3. So y is equals to minus 4 by 3 and minus 2x by minus 3. Minus and minus cancel. So y is equals to 2x by 3 minus 4 by 3. Y is equals to 2x by 3 and minus 4 by 3. So the coefficient of x, equation is like this: y is equals to 2x by 3 minus 4 by 3. So the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. Coefficient of x is 2 by 3. So the coefficient of the x will be considered as a slope. That is 2 by 3. And its y intercept is equals to minus 4 by 3. So the constant value will be the intercept and the coefficient of x will be the slope. So in this way you can find the slope and intercept by using the given equation of a line by converting the equation into slope intercept form, right? So I'm going to solve one or two questions so that you can easily inculcate the topic. Like we have given 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals to 0, and second line is given as 28x minus 21y plus 50 equals to 0. Now we have to check that whether these lines are perpendicular to each other. Whether these lines are perpendicular to each other. So to check that whether these lines are perpendicular to each other, first of all these two lines will be satisfy the criteria of perpendicular lines, means product of their slopes should be -1. Should be -1. That's why these lines will be perpendicular. So the question is here, first of all we have to find the slope. So to find the slope, 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals to 0, we will convert it into y equals to mx plus c form. Y is -7 by 4 minus 3 by 4x. So slope is the coefficient of x, slope is -3 by 4, right? Now come to second equation, 28x minus 21y plus 50 equals to 0. Minus 21y minus 50 minus 28x. Y is minus 50 minus 28x by minus 21. So y is equals to minus 50 by minus 28 by minus 21. Minus minus cancel, 50 by 21 plus 28x by 21. 28x by 21. Now slope here, coefficient of x, that is 28 by 21. Now we have to check that whether these lines are perpendicular or not. So to find if these lines are perpendicular or not, we will use the criteria that product of their slopes should be -1. So -3 by 4 into 28 by 21. 4 7s are 28. 7 3s are 21. 3 and 3 cancel, -1. So product of these slopes is equals to -1. It means these two lines are perpendicular to each other. It means these two lines are perpendicular to each other, right? So if we have to check that whether the lines are parallel, so again we will find the slope. If slopes will be equal, then lines will be parallel. So to find the slope from the given line, first of all we will convert the equation into the form of y is equals to mx plus c. The coefficient of x will be considered as slope and the constant value will be considered as the x-intercept or the y-intercept. So in this way you can find the slope and intercept from the given equations.